Good afternoon, class. So today, since it's getting so close to Thanksgiving, we are going to make little hand turkeys. Isn't that cool? You got your little neck and you got your eye. So we're going to walk through. I'm going to show you how to do it. You ready? Okay, let's put that up there. So you're gonna put your hand on the paper, okay? And you are going to trace your hand, okay? Alright. So you're gonna cut it out. Now that we are done cutting our little turkeys out, let's give it an eye. See how we gave it an eye? We're gonna make its little beard. I used napkin for it tore apart, and now we're gonna just kind of wrinkle it. It's because sometimes their beards are a little bit wrinkly. We're gonna use the glue to glue it on there. So, see how you got your glue right there? Okay, so now we have our little beard. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of outline the feathers. So you're just gonna draw some lines. Kind of see where the lines will be. Next, what we're gonna do is have a little bit of fabric. Use these to kind of really make a statement. Right. And there you have your feathers, and here you have your turkey.